Good evening, respected judges, teachers, teachers, and different schools of Chhattisgarh. I am Ashad Singh of class 10 from Devi Public School, Gurgaon. I am here before you to present my idea. Can aquaculture be the best companion of aquaponics and hydroponics farming? Let's find out. In today's world, when land availability is very low, inflation is at its peak, it's very difficult for farmers to produce huge yield with profit. So to solve this problem, here comes a very traditional method of farming, that is aquaponics and hydroponics. They have been used for years, but they have never been modernized according to the need of the market. Aquaponics refers to the mixture of hydroponics with aquaculture. Hydroponics refers to growing plants in mineral water without soil, and aquaculture refers to growing fishes in vast quantities for mass consumption. While researching about these, he and my partner came across a very crucial problem. And they were regular monitoring of water quality is required, and if not done properly, the whole system will fail. Aeration needs to be high when dissolved oxygen is low, as do not before. Skill and knowledge of two separate fields is required. It requires daily maintenance like cleaning of biofilters, electronic gadgets such as lights and pumps require proper operation, and if not done properly, the whole system will fail. And some many more problems. Solutions available in the market. There are very less solutions available in the market. The one which costs around 16,000 to 30,000 offer only one or two features, and that too with only an LCD display with no control. And the one which offers the most features costs around rupees 3.5 to 4.5 lakh rupees, and that too they don't offer IoT. Can farmers really buy this? As we know in India, that majority of the farmers are poor, so they cannot afford these machines. So to solve this problem, here comes our device, aquaculture. Parameters to achieve and build an aquaculture. So these are the points which you have to keep in mind while developing. They are affordability. It should be way cheaper than the alternatives available in the market. Easy to use. It should be easy to use. Data on mobile. It should also provide controls on phone. Easy to use application user interface and always online secure connection. Aquasense, your perfect companion for aquaponics and hydroponics. Aquasense is an IoT-based device which is capable of measuring water parameters like pH, TDS, temperature, dissolved oxygen, and display all these parameters on your mobile phone or laptop anywhere in the world. It is also capable of controlling your electronic gadgets such as pump, temperature rods, and all that goes from anywhere in the world through one command from your phone. An attachment of Aquasense Aquadose is capable of providing dosages to your fish water for lowering raising pH. Aquasense has two versions. Right. This is the design of a final device. This one is the Arduino Omega. It is the primary brain of this device. This one is the D1 Mini. This is the secondary brain. It sends these to the mobile phone. This one is for pH. It connects the pH sensor. This one is for dissolved oxygen. This one is for TDS. This one is for temperature. And those are the relays. This is the circuit diagram. The Arduino Mega collects the data from all the sensors and sends it to the D1 Mini to send it to the mobile. This is the design for Aquadose. These are the parts. Working of Aquasense, as I have already explained you, there is only one thing, that is serial communication within the system. The Arduino sends the data to the D1 Mini through serial communication, and then it is transferred to your phone anywhere in the world. Variants of Aquasense. Aquasense has two versions called Aquadose Pro, Aquasense Pro, and Aquasense Mini. So Aquasense Mini has also kept the interest of poor farmers in mind, as it costs nearly half of the Aquasense Pro. Okay, so this is the data collected by testing. This is the format in which the data is sent to the D1 Mini. This is the data sampling file which these are the data which we collected by the testing. So the first row stands for the pH value. Second one is for TDS, third one is for temperature, and fourth one is for dissolved oxygen. And this is the time when the data was sent. And this is the more data, and this is the data which is displayed on your laptop through Chrome. These are the best values for AD, and now I would like to show you the live demonstration of this. here you can see the pH is 3, the LCD also pH is 3, and now it's dropped to 2. pH is 2.73, here it is 2 on the top. And temperature you can see that is 24. Here also 24.5. So temperature, like you can see, it will start increasing. Actually, there is some delay, as it will think that it is just fan and it will dismiss the data. It's increasing. Right, 26. I am holding the temperature probe in my hand, and the pH is currently 2, and the TDS also reduces. Right. Here you can also see on the LCD the same TDS. And these are the samples like tomato pulp, diluted lemon juice, milk. Conclusion: Percent is a very good device and will 100% be a game changer if executed properly. They have also shown our project to multiple professors from college and they have appreciated our project. You can see them. Future advancements plan. An open city plan division is a step-fixed stress management system will be executed with the help of pipes. Nitrates, and ammonia prediction will be done by using the other parameters. Quality detection. Quality sensor will be included. Custom dosage panel will also be included. Pre-loaded plant needs. We will select the best plant needs and feed them in the SD card, and the machine will automatically set the water parameters to such level. An automatic tank cleaning and water change system will be included. Salinity sensor, humidity and water level sensor will also be included. This is my aquaponics setup in my home. This is my aquarium actually, and these are the plants. This one is the sweet potato, and this is palak and maize. These are the plants. You can see the roots; they are very healthy. No root rot is there, and the water is being given to the medicine, not algae. And these are the different types of fishes like swordtails, lilies, guppies, and this is my. Thank you. Yes, one for pH. Yes. Actually, रोज मार्केट में आते हैं। हाँ, बट ये शो अकेले यूज नहीं कर सकते आप। हाँ, बिना इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट की रीडिंग देगा ही, आपको ब्रेन चाहिए रहेगा रीडिंग। Actually, turbidity attachment is not that much active right now. Turbidity is also there and क्योंकि aquaponics में यही पैरामीटर मॉनिटर करने पड़ते हैं, वरना अगर आपका एक यूज में से फेल हुआ प्लांट या फिश में तो आपकी दोनों चीजें फेल हो जाएंगी। ये उसमें क्योंकि इन्वेस्टमेंट हाई है, यील्ड ज्यादा है। एकदम नाइस होना चाहिए। काम मैंने देखा नहीं, मतलब मशीन का भी that monitoring of pH temperature and pH IoT based actually मतलब एक है बट उसका मैंने रिव्यू देखा अभी प्री ऑर्डर में, और उसमें लिखा है लोगों ने 105 से पैसे ले लिए, मशीन नहीं मिल रही। मशीन नहीं मिल रही, IoT का तो नहीं दिखा। आपको नॉर्मल दिखा दूंगा सिस्टम एंड बेस्ड ऑफ इनके प्राइसेस चेक करना, ऑब्वियसली का प्राइस नहीं है, मैं स्टडी कर रहा हूं। जस्ट दिस इज टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट द इनोवेशन, यस ये इनोवेशन क्या होता है। इन लोगों ने एक बात को जोड़ के रखा, इनको डिस्कवरी कर लेते हैं, कुछ क्रिएट करेगा कुछ डिमांड। इनोवेशन के लिए मतलब जैसे स्टेपिंग स्टोन पे चल रहे हैं, तो फ्यूचर एडवांसमेंट में मैंने जो लिखी जैसे कि अमोनिया नाइट्रेट प्रिडिक्शन वो किसी ने नहीं की है। प्री लोडेड प्लांट नीड्स आपको किसी मशीन में नहीं मिले, आप मार्केट में चेक कर लीजिए, कोई मशीन नहीं देगी आपको। और ओपन सिटी वाला हम जिस प्राइस पॉइंट पे करेंगे कि लाइब्रेरी पास 8 GB है, 16,000 आता है, लेकिन हम वेब के थ्रू प्रोसेसिंग करेंगे पाइथन मॉडल के थ्रू, जो कि विद इन 1000 आपको सेम चीज प्रोसेस करके देगा। लेस प्राइस और प्री लोडेड प्लांट किट हमारा मेन पॉइंट है, वो कोई मशीन नहीं देगी हम, तो धीरे धीरे करके डेवलप करना है।
वो सब वेरी डिफरेंट, मतलब देखो चीजें समझ में आ रही है, तुम्हारा हैंडल बहुत अच्छा है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मेरा जगह पूरी तुम्हारा हैंडल कोई चीजें समझ में आ रही है, ये वो एनीथिंग इसका बहुत ही
तो एक और फिल्ड देखा मैंने, नमामि गंगे, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया कंपनी भाई, उसके लिए भी इसका अच्छा खासा
क्या ग्रोइंग वाटर पे where we are requiring continuous monitoring, we can make such devices can be developed.
भाई 1.5 लाख दिया, मैं आपको अभी 5 लाख के बाद मैंने देखी, वो आईओटी के लिए देगा 7 पैरामीटर के 5 लाख के डाटा का डिवाइस और एक्वाकल्चर केवल एक था करेंगे एक था